Today, I'm going to introduce the uses of sound and electromagnetic waves in daily life. I'm going to introduce one use of sound, two uses of electromagnetic wave, and one use of how radio communication works. One use of sound is growing plant by playing music, preferably classical music. The first scientist who discovered this was Dr. T.C. Singh. He was the head of the botany department at the Andaman University of India. In 1962, he conducted several experiments by playing traditional Indian music to balsam plants and discovered it grew at a rate that accelerated by 20% in height and 72% in biomass. He found out similar results for agricultural crops such as peanuts, rice, and tobacco, which he played music on loudspeakers placed around the field. So, how can plants hear the sound? Well, sound wave vibrates and pass through the plant. This vibration produces movement in the plant cells, stimulating the plant to produce more nutrients. According to an academic paper on Science Direct, Advances in Effect of Sound Wave on Plants, there are 4 factors that sound can influence plant growth. First, different frequency of sound. Second, sound pressure level, measures how loud the sound is. Third, exposure periods, which measures how long the plant has been exposed to sound. 4. Distance of the source measures how far the plant is from the soil. These factors combined can effectively promote plant growth. The research in this article shows that sound wave at 1000 Hz and 100 dB for 1 hour within a distance of 0.2 meter could significantly promote the division and cell wall flexibility of callus cells. Sound wave stimulation could increase the plant plasma membrane HATP activity, the content of soluble sugar and protein. Sound wave could increase transcription and content of RNA, which increase production of plants. The researchers recorded that the production of tomato, pepper, and cucumber had increased significantly because of the use of sound. Sound wave also helps to strengthen the immune system of plants and kill pesticides of tomato in greenhouses. Now I'm going to introduce 2 uses of electromagnetic waves. First off, we have radar. Radar is an application of radio wave. The word radar is an acronym for radio detection and ranging. Radar is composed of a transmitted radio signal aimed by an antenna in a particular direction, and a receiver that detects echo of any object in the path of the signal. It is used to locate the position and detect the movement of objects. Some common usage of radar include use radar guns to detect car speed, find a plane, or use in military. Another application of radar is the JPR system. These are used to analyze the ground to create soil profiles. This system moves along the ground surface, sending electromagnetic pulses into the ground. Then, it collects the soil data and echoes back to the system. This creates very detailed soil profile. These systems can also be used in civil engineering to create a profile of the excavation site. Another application of the electromagnetic wave is the CT scan. CT scan is based on X-rays. X-rays can pass through skin or soft tissues but not bones. It is usually used to detect disease inside the body, such as a tumor. So how does a CT scan work? This is a picture of a CT scanner. It is a motorized medical device that includes many X-ray tubes that rotate around to check the patient's body. Each time the X-ray source completes one full rotation, the CT computer uses math techniques to construct a 2D image called slice of the patient. Then the process is repeated to produce as many slices as wanted. Next, I'm going to introduce one way of how radio communication works. One usage of radio communication is cell phone calls. A cell phone is a transceiver. It can transmit radio signal and receive another radio signal. When Sam is calling her boss Bill, her phone converts her voice into an electrical signal. This signal scans around for available cell towers, then transmitted via radio waves to the nearest cell tower. Notice that in Sam's scenario, cell tower A is the nearest and the best cell tower because her phone can also search for cell C, but cell C is too far for the signals to reach. Then, cell tower A makes sure that Sam is a valid subscriber, checks for available voice channel, and scans globally to find cell tower B, which is the closest to Bill's phone. Then cell tower B relays the radio wave to Bill's phone. After they make sure that Bill is a valid subscriber, the cell tower sends the electric signal received from Sam's phone to Bill's phone, and then Bill's phone receives the signal and converts it to voice back again, so that Bill can talk talk to Sam. That's all we had for today. See you later.